Hi there, Lisa Casey here. We are on Google Sheets, and this is how you can use the equations that are built into Google Sheets to access more easily student data. So we're going to make these equations, and Google Sheets do all of the math for us. So you can see I've got my student names. We have Harry, Ron, and Hermione. And we have 3 different test scores here. So I'm going to go ahead and try to find the average for each student. So I'm going to click here. We have the average up here. This is where I want to find Harry's average. So you can see we have B, C, and D have his test scores in there. So to find the average, I'm going to come up here to this functions button, and I'm going to click on average. So that starts the equation for us. And now I just need to tell the equation which range to select. So it's B2 is where it starts. You can see it's highlighted all the way to D2. So to indicate that, to say the range extends that far, I have to use a colon. So B2 colon D2. So that highlights the range. And then if I click enter, it activates that for us. And you can see that if I accidentally enter that test score wrong and go in and change it, the average changes as well. So that will update as this updates as well. And if I want to find Ron Weasley and Hermione Granger, I can go ahead and do the same process I did before. Or I can click this little button in the corner and drag it down, and that means it will apply that same equation to these rows as well. So we can see Harry's average, Ron's average, and Hermione's average. So we have lots of different equations we can choose from up here. However you might need to use this. Basically, you'll do the same process no matter what. You just need to dictate or tell the equation what the range is. So if we're looking for a sum of all of the student averages, we need to say it starts on E2 colon E4, right? So it'll add all those things up for us because I told it what our range was. So once you know that, your range, and you separate the beginning and the end with a colon, and you know what equation you're going to use, it's as simple as that. You plug those things in, and then lovely little Google Sheets will do all the math for you. Thanks so much for watching.